What new attacks in Iran have raised concerns about the future of the Iran conflict? Recent strikes inside Iran signal a dangerous escalation that could change everything about this long-standing tension. In the past months, Iran has experienced a series of surprising attacks on critical infrastructure, including military bases and nuclear facilities. Some of these strikes involved drone incursions and explosions that sources say may have been carried out by covert intelligence operations or rival regional actors. These attacks are not just isolated incidents, but part of a pattern signaling increasing tensions and the possibility of a broader conflict involving multiple countries. The new attacks have escalated fears that Iran could retaliate fiercely. Experts warn this might lead to a cycle of violence, pulling in neighboring countries and global powers. The stakes are high because Iran's nuclear program is a flashpoint for international security. Any significant damage to nuclear sites could provoke a harsh response, potentially triggering a dangerous spiral of conflict that destabilizes the entire Middle East. These recent attacks could hint at changing dynamics in the Iran conflict. New tactics like drone strikes show how technology is reshaping warfare in the region. Moreover, there could be new actors involved, including foreign intelligence services or rebel groups seeking to influence Iran's future. This evolving situation makes it harder to predict how the conflict will unfold, but definitely raises concerns about prolonged instability and unpredictable consequences. The new attacks in Iran highlight a dangerous turning point in the long-running conflict, with risks of escalation and broader regional instability. Staying informed on these developments is key to understanding global security. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.